Hey there. If you've ever added a sticker in Telegram and then said, wait, I don't want this anymore, this video is for you. Because today, we'll show you how to remove stickers from Telegram in under a minute. And yes, it's way easier than you think. Let's go. Open Telegram and go to any chat. Click on the sticker icon. It's located at the bottom right. Long press the sticker you want to delete. Then tap View Sticker Set. It appears at the bottom. Here's the magic moment. At the bottom, you'll see a button, Delete Stickers. Tap it and the sticker disappears from your profile. And that's it. Stickers gone. Now you can clean up your app, save space, and keep things tidy. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more Telegram tips, new videos every day. Comment below. Which stickers do you want to delete? Or maybe you'd like to learn how to create your own sticker pack?